So now guys, let's have a test and see how this goes. Oh, this is heaven breakfast, man. This is healthy, packed full of energy, nutrient, vitamins, Just putting that apricot in there, okay? Hello everybody, today I'm making French toast in my own twist way. Watch out for this, guys. So this is my egg. I'm gonna tip in my egg in there. I'm gonna crack another egg. I'm gonna tip in my milk go in there. Then my spices. Ground a little bit of nutmeg in there. And then mixed spice and cinnamon powder in there. It's optional, okay guys? You don't have to put this. You can chop it red chili pepper if you want. So I'm mixing them now. Okay guys, I'm mixing. So done. So this is my bread I'm using. Homemade seeded bread. Look at the length, and the thickness of the bread. You can use any bread, white bread, whatever bread you fancy, but I'm using this one. Okay, so I'm gonna soak it in there. Allow it to soak in there for a couple of minutes. Okay, gonna soak it in there with those spices to soak in properly. Okay. So my bread has been soaking in there. Can you see? Homemade bread, seeded made bread, healthy bread. That is the bread I'm using. You can use any bread of your choice. You see it? It's been soaking there. Okay? Soaking there. So I'm gonna put in my butter. To rub in there. I'm using healthy butter. Look at it. Flora Proactive, lower cholesterol. So I'm gonna take the bread, put in there. Flip the other side. Can you see how brown it is? You see it? So you're gonna go in there so that this kitchen towel, the oil will soak in there. Now the French is ready. Look at it there. So this is the apricot sauce I made. Apricot sauce I made earlier on. So I'm gonna be putting it on top like that to serve with it. Look at that, guys. Look at that breakfast. Look at that healthy, lovely breakfast. That running apricot on top of the French toast. Wow. This is yummy and delicious. Guys, this is my healthy French toast bread. Healthy breakfast for the whole of the day. Look at it. Look at that, guys. You're welcome.